SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) Online Training. Learn and improve your skills and knowledge and upgrade your profile with industry expert by ProExcellency. Introduction to SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI). SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) is a comprehensive solution that streamlines and simplifies the billing and invoicing process for businesses of all sizes. It enables organizations to create invoices from any source of billable data, regardless of the underlying system or process. CI also provides a centralized platform for managing and tracking invoices throughout their life cycle, from creation to payment. The benefits of using SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI). SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses streamline their invoicing and billing processes. It provides a single platform for managing all types of invoices, including subscription invoices, usage-based invoices, and one-time invoices. CI also automates many of the manual tasks involved in invoicing, such as creating invoices, sending them to customers, and collecting payments. Benefits of using SAP Convergent Invoicing. Reduced costs. CI can help businesses save money by automating many of the manual tasks involved in invoicing. This can free up employees to focus on more strategic work. Improved efficiency. CI can help businesses improve their efficiency by streamlining their invoicing processes. This can lead to faster invoice processing times and reduced errors. Increased revenue. CI can help businesses increase their revenue by ensuring that they are invoicing customers accurately and on time. This can also help to improve customer satisfaction. Improved compliance. CI can help businesses comply with complex invoicing regulations. This can help to avoid fines and penalties. Greater visibility. CI can provide businesses with greater visibility into their invoicing data. This can help businesses to make better decisions about their pricing and billing strategies. Enhanced customer relationships. CI can help businesses to build better relationships with their customers by providing them with clear and accurate invoices. This can also help to reduce disputes. Key features of SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI). SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) is a comprehensive solution that helps businesses streamline and automate their invoicing processes across various industries. It provides a unified platform for managing all types of invoices, including standard invoices, credit memos, debit memos, and recurring invoices. CI also offers a variety of features that help businesses improve the accuracy and efficiency of their invoicing processes, such as automated invoice creation. CI can automatically create invoices from a variety of sources, such as sales orders, delivery confirmations, and consumption data. Flexible invoice formatting. CI supports a variety of invoice formats, including electronic data interchange (AD) formats. Real-time invoice monitoring. CI provides real-time visibility into the status of all invoices, from creation to payment. Automated invoice correction. CI can automatically identify and correct errors in invoices. Integrated revenue recognition. CI is integrated with SAP Financial Accounting (FE) to ensure that revenue is recognized correctly. In addition to these core features, CI also offers a number of advanced features that help businesses further optimize their invoicing processes. These features include dependent items. CI can create dependent items for invoices, such as taxes, shipping charges, and discounts. Billing plans. CI can create billing plans for recurring invoices, such as subscription contracts. Clarification processing. CI can automate the processing of invoice clarifications, such as requests for additional information. Partner settlement. CI can automate the settlement of invoices with partners, such as distributors and resellers. Defining billing configurations in SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI). Setting up billing configurations in SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) is crucial for accurate and compliant invoicing aligned with business needs. Here are key steps. Create item classes. Define billable item classes, example, goods, services, to categorize items for billing. Assign billable items. Specify item details, pricing, and tax codes by assigning billable items to relevant classes. Configure rating. Establish rules for determining item prices based on factors like consumption and agreed-upon pricing models. Define billing plans. Create plans for recurring non-recurring billing cycles tailored to specific customers or contracts. Set invoice output parameters. Configure parameters for generating invoices, including layout, output format, PDF, XML, and electronic delivery options. Tax configuration. Define tax codes, rates, and rules to ensure accurate tax application on invoices. Enable electronic processing. Configure settings for electronic invoicing, considering formats, communication protocols, and legal requirements. Test and validate. Thoroughly test configurations to ensure accurate invoices and compliance with business and regulatory standards. Through meticulous billing configuration in SAP CI, organizations can streamline processes, enhance accuracy, and boost customer satisfaction. Managing billable items in SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI). Managing billable items in SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) is a critical task for businesses that need to accurately and efficiently bill their customers. Billable items are the basic units of billing in CI, and they represent the goods or services that have been provided to a customer. There are a number of steps involved in managing billable items in CI, including creating billable items. Billable items can be created manually or automatically. Manual creation is typically used for one-time or infrequent items, while automatic creation is used for recurring items. Maintaining billable items. Billable items need to be kept up to date to ensure that they are accurate and reflect the current state of the business. This includes updating item descriptions, quantities, and prices. Reviewing billable items. Billable items should be reviewed regularly to identify any errors or discrepancies. This can be done manually or using automated tools. Billing billable items. Billable items are typically billed to customers on a periodic basis. The billing process involves creating invoices and sending them to customers. SAP CI provides a number of tools and features to help businesses manage billable items. These tools include Billable Item Management. This tool allows businesses to create, maintain, and review billable items. Billing Plans. Billing plans allow businesses to define how and when customers are billed for billable items. Discounts and charges. Discounts and charges can be applied to billable items to adjust the amount that is billed to the customer. Partner Settlement. Partner settlement allows businesses to settle invoices with partners who have provided goods or services. Intercompany Settlement. Intercompany settlement allows businesses to settle invoices with other companies within the same corporate group. By using these tools and features, businesses can ensure that their billable items are managed accurately and efficiently. This can help to improve cash flow, reduce billing errors, and increase customer satisfaction. Processing invoices in SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) is a streamlined and automated process that helps businesses manage their billing and invoicing efficiently. The process involves several steps, including uploading billable items. The first step is to upload billable items from an external file. This file can be in various formats, such as CSV, XML, or IDOC. The file should contain all the necessary information about the billable items, such as the customer, product, quantity, and price. Executing billing. Once the billable items have been uploaded, the billing process can be executed. This process involves creating billing documents, which are the basis for invoices. Billing documents can be created for different types of transactions, such as sales orders, deliveries, and service contracts. Executing invoicing. After the billing documents have been created, the invoicing process can be executed. This process involves creating invoices from the billing documents. Invoices can be created in various formats, such as PDF, AD, or print. Printing or emailing invoices. Once the invoices have been created, they can be printed or emailed to the customer. This step can be automated, so that invoices are sent out as soon as they are created. The entire invoice processing process in SAP CI can be automated, so that businesses can save time and money. Automation can also help to improve the accuracy of invoices and reduce the risk of errors. Here are some of the benefits of processing invoices in SAP CI. Reduced processing time. The automated process can significantly reduce the time it takes to process invoices. This can free up employees to focus on other tasks. Improved accuracy. The automated process helps to reduce the risk of errors in invoices. This is because the system automatically checks for errors and inconsistencies. Increased efficiency. The automated process can help businesses to process more invoices with fewer resources. This can lead to cost savings and improved efficiency. Improved customer satisfaction. The automated process can help businesses to get invoices to their customers more quickly. This can improve customer satisfaction and reduce the risk of late payments. If you are considering using SAP CI to process your invoices, I recommend that you contact a SAP consultant to learn more about the benefits and to get help with the implementation process. Processing invoices in SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI. Reporting and analytics in SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI. SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI, plays a crucial role in providing businesses with valuable insights into billing and revenue data. The reporting and analytics features in SAP CI offer a range of benefits. Billing performance tracking. Monitor key metrics like revenue, invoice volume, and average invoice amount. Identify trends over time to pinpoint areas for improvement. Issue resolution. Use reporting tools to uncover billing errors and discrepancies, enabling businesses to take corrective action and enhance billing data accuracy. Informed decision-making. Gain insights into customer behavior and billing patterns. Leverage this information to make informed decisions on pricing, promotions, and other business strategies. Key SAP CI reporting and analytics capabilities. Predefined reports. Access a variety of predefined reports that cover billing and revenue metrics, easily customizable to meet specific business needs. Ad hoc reporting. Create custom reports from scratch to analyze data according to unique requirements. Drill down capabilities. Delve into detailed information by drilling down from high-level reports to specifics like customer, product, or service. Data visualization. Utilize data visualization tools to present information in a visually impactful manner, aiding in trend and pattern identification. Practical examples. Telecom company. Track revenue from different services, voice, data, internet, to inform pricing and marketing strategies. Utility company. Identify at-risk customers using analytics, allowing the development of targeted retention programs. Manufacturing company. Monitor revenue by product line to identify and promote the most profitable products. In conclusion, SAP CI's reporting and analytics empower businesses to enhance billing and revenue performance. These capabilities provide insights, highlight trends, and support decision-making, ultimately contributing to improved financial outcomes. Best practices for using SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI). SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) is a comprehensive solution that helps businesses streamline their invoicing processes and improve efficiency. By consolidating invoices from multiple sources, CI can help businesses reduce costs, improve accuracy, and enhance customer satisfaction. Here are some best practices for using SAP CI. Clearly define your business processes. Before you begin using CI, it is important to clearly define your business processes for invoicing. This will help you to identify the data that you need to collect and how you want to use CI to streamline your processes. Integrate CI with your other SAP systems. CI can be integrated with a variety of other SAP systems, such as SAP ERP, SAP S/4HANA, and SAP Subscription Billing. This integration can help you to automate your invoicing processes and eliminate the need for manual data entry. Use a data quality management tool. A data quality management tool can help you to ensure that the data that you are using in CI is accurate and complete. This will help to prevent errors in your invoices and improve customer satisfaction. Use a standardized invoice format. CI supports a variety of standardized invoice formats, such as UBL and PDF. Using a standardized format can help you to ensure that your invoices are compliant with industry standards and can be easily processed by your customers. Use electronic invoicing. Electronic invoicing, e-invoicing, can help you to reduce costs and improve efficiency. CI supports a variety of e-invoicing formats, such as Zugford and Peppol. Use a self-service portal. A self-service portal can allow your customers to view and download their invoices online. This can help to improve customer satisfaction and reduce the number of inquiries that your customer service team receives. Monitor your CI performance. It is important to monitor your CI performance to ensure that you are getting the most out of your investment. CI provides a variety of reports that can help you to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of SAP CI and streamline your invoicing processes. Troubleshooting common issues in SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) can be a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can be a relatively straightforward process. Here are some of the most common issues that you may encounter, along with some tips on how to resolve them. Issue: incorrect invoice recipient resolution. Verify that the recipient's address and contact information are correct in the system. If the information is incorrect, update it and try creating the invoice again. Issue: missing or incorrect invoice items resolution. Verify that all of the invoice items are listed correctly and that the quantities and prices are accurate. If there are any missing or incorrect items, add or update them and try creating the invoice again. Issue: invoice is not being created resolution. Check the system logs for any error messages that may be preventing the invoice from being created. If there are any error messages, address the underlying issue and try creating the invoice again. Issue: invoice is not being sent to the recipient resolution. Verify that the recipient's email address is correct and that the invoice is not being blocked by any spam filters. If the email address is incorrect or the invoice is being blocked, update the information or adjust the spam filters accordingly. Issue: recipient is unable to open the invoice attachment resolution. Verify that the invoice attachment is in a format that the recipient can open. If the recipient is unable to open the attachment, convert it to a different format or send them a link to the invoice in the cloud. In addition to these common issues, there may be other problems that you encounter when using SAP Convergent Invoicing. If you are unable to resolve an issue on your own, you can always contact SAP support for assistance. Here are some additional tips for troubleshooting common issues in SAP Convergent Invoicing. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the software. Keep your system up to date with the latest patches and updates. Use a sandbox environment to test your invoices before sending them to production. Document your troubleshooting process so that you can easily refer back to it in the future. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that your SAP Convergent Invoicing system is running smoothly and efficiently. Troubleshooting common issues in SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI. Advanced features of SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI. SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI, is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses simplify and automate their billing processes. It provides a single platform for managing all types of invoices, including recurring subscriptions, one-time charges, and usage-based billing. CI also offers a number of advanced features that can help businesses streamline their billing operations and improve customer satisfaction. Here are some of the advanced features of SAP CI. Real-time billing. CI can generate invoices in real time as transactions occur. This means that businesses can get paid faster and improve their cash flow. Flexible pricing. CI supports a variety of pricing models, including recurring subscriptions, usage-based billing, and one-time charges. This makes it easy to bill customers for any type of service or product. Automated dunning management. CI can automatically send dunning notices to customers who are past due on their payments. This can help businesses collect payments faster and reduce their bad debt expense. Self-service portals. CI provides self-service portals for customers to view their invoices, make payments, and manage their subscriptions. This can improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload for customer service representatives. Analytics. CI provides a number of analytics reports that can help businesses track their billing performance and identify areas for improvement. In addition to these advanced features, SAP CI also offers a number of other benefits, including reduced costs. CI can help businesses reduce their billing costs by automating many manual processes. Improved accuracy. CI can help businesses improve the accuracy of their invoices by reducing the number of errors. Increased compliance. CI can help businesses comply with a variety of billing regulations. If you are looking for a cloud-based solution to simplify and automate your billing processes, SAP CI is a great option to consider. The future of SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI, and Invoice Management. The future of SAP Convergent Invoicing, CI, and Invoice Management is centered around automation, simplification, and real-time insights. This process consolidates charges into a single invoice, offering businesses cost reduction, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction. Key trends shaping the future of CI and invoice management include the surge in e-commerce, leading to a demand for streamlined invoicing processes. Additionally, the growing complexity of invoices, with more data and line items, underscores the need for automation. Evolution in CI and invoice management includes increased automation. CI solutions are becoming more automated, incorporating features like automatic data capture, invoice validation, and payment processing. Simplified processes, user-friendly interfaces, and simplified workflows in CI solutions make it easier for businesses to manage invoices. Real-time insights. CI solutions provide businesses with immediate insights into invoice data, enabling better financial decision-making. Benefits of CI and invoice management. Reduced costs. automation eliminates manual processes and errors, leading to cost reduction. Improved efficiency. Streamlined invoice processing reduces the time it takes to get paid, enhancing overall efficiency. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Clear, accurate, and timely invoices contribute to improved customer satisfaction. To prepare for the future of CI and invoice management, assess current processes, identify areas for automation and streamlining in your current invoice processing. Invest in CI technology. Choose a CI solution that aligns with your specific needs and budget. Employee training. Ensure your employees are well trained in using the chosen CI solution. As businesses adopt CI solutions, they can expect benefits such as cost reduction, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction, positioning themselves for success in the evolving landscape of invoice management. Salary expectations and career opportunities. SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training. Salary expectations for SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) professionals in India vary depending on experience, skills, and location. However, according to recent data from AmbitionBox, the average salary for an SAP CI consultant in India is 820,000 rupee per year. Here is a breakdown of average salaries for SAP CI professionals in India based on experience. Entry level, 0 to 3 years of experience, 450,000 rupees to 600,000 rupees per year. Mid-level, 3 to 5 years of experience, 600,000 rupees to 800,000 rupees per year. Senior level, 5+ years of experience, 800,000 rupees to 1,200,000 rupees per year. In addition to base salary, SAP CI professionals can also expect to earn bonuses, commissions, and other benefits. Here are some of the skills that are in high demand for SAP CI professionals in India. SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) expertise. Experience with SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA. Strong knowledge of finance and accounting principles. Excellent communication and problem-solving skills. Ability to work independently and as part of a team. The career opportunities for SAP CI professionals in India are excellent. As more and more businesses adopt SAP CI, there is a growing demand for skilled professionals who can implement and manage these systems. Here are some of the career paths that SAP CI professionals can pursue in India. SAP CI Consultant, SAP CI Solution Architect, SAP CI Project Manager, SAP CI Trainer. With the right skills and experience, SAP CI professionals can enjoy a successful and rewarding career in India. Why choose SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training? There are many reasons to choose SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training. Here are just a few. Flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. This is especially beneficial for busy professionals who may not have the time to attend traditional classroom training. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because there are no travel or accommodation costs involved. Accessibility. Online training can be accessed from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This makes it a great option for learners who live in remote areas or who travel frequently. Variety of learning options. There are a variety of online training options available, including self-paced courses, instructor-led courses, and blended learning courses. This allows learners to choose the option that best suits their learning style and needs. Up-to-date content. Online training courses are often updated more frequently than traditional classroom training courses. This ensures that learners are always getting the most up-to-date information. In addition to these general benefits, there are also specific benefits to taking SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training. These benefits include: learn from experts. Online SAP CI training courses are often taught by experienced SAP professionals. This ensures that learners are getting the best possible instruction. Gain hands-on experience. Many online SAP CI training courses include hands-on exercises and simulations. This allows learners to practice what they have learned and gain valuable experience. Prepare for certification. Online SAP CI training courses can help you prepare for the SAP Certified Application Associate SAP Convergent Invoicing Certification exam. This certification can help you advance your career in SAP. Overall, SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training is a great option for anyone who wants to learn about SAP CI and gain the skills they need to use it effectively. Advantages of choosing SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training. Opting for SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training offers numerous advantages. Firstly, it provides the convenience and flexibility to learn at your own pace from anywhere globally, catering to busy professionals. Additionally, online training is often more cost-effective due to the absence of travel expenses. Accessibility is another key benefit, as it requires only an internet connection, making it available to anyone worldwide. The variety of learning modalities, including videos, presentations, and interactive exercises, accommodates different learning styles. Online courses are regularly updated, ensuring the content remains current. For SAP CI specifically, online training equips individuals with the expertise needed to effectively utilize this powerful tool. It prepares participants for the SAP Certified Specialist, SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) certification exam, a valuable credential showcasing proficiency in SAP CI. Acquiring these skills enhances career prospects, as SAP CI is highly sought after in the job market. When considering SAP CI online training, it's crucial to select a reputable provider offering diverse learning modalities. It's also essential to recognize that becoming proficient in SAP CI takes practice, despite online training providing a solid foundation. Overall, SAP CI online training serves as a valuable resource for both businesses and individuals looking to harness the capabilities of this tool. Why choose ProExcellency SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training? Here are some reasons why you might choose ProExcellency SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) online training. Experienced instructors. ProExcellency instructors have extensive experience teaching SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) and are experts in the field. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers a variety of learning options to fit your schedule and learning style, including online, instructor-led, and blended learning. Real-world examples and case studies. ProExcellency courses use real-world examples and case studies to help you apply what you learn to your job. Hands-on training. ProExcellency courses provide hands-on training to help you gain the practical skills you need to use SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) effectively. Job placement assistance. ProExcellency offers job placement assistance to help you find a job in the SAP field after you complete your training. In addition to these reasons, ProExcellency is also a reputable training provider with a proven track record of success. The company has been training SAP professionals for over 20 years and has a large network of satisfied customers. If you are looking for high-quality SAP Convergent Invoicing (CI) training, ProExcellency is a great option to consider. Contact us 0803150868 vertical bar +918722079509 www.proexcellency.com afan@proexcellency.com info@proexcellency.com Bangalore, India